Let's get to that headstand part of the day, shall we? This is the part of the day where I do my 100 any reps standing on my head, goal stacking style. And I'd like to remind you to do things your way. Make sure you get some on you. Life's going by quicker than you think. You're capable of more than you think. And goal stacking is cool. You can do more than one thing at once. Just got to all be in alignment, working together. Let's count backwards from about, I think that's about 90, 89, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 90. Oh, I did that already. 89, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 80. 79, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 70. 69, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 60. 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 50, or 51, 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 33, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30. I'm forgetting how to count. 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll do a few extra just for good measure and call it good. There you have it, 100 any reps, just about 2 minutes. Put that in the 2-minute toolbox and get on. I'll be seeing you. Hey, give me a thumbs up, would you? Thanks.